divide these algebraic fractions. So you see you have the division sign there. So the first thing you do is remember that dividing is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So if you divide 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3, of course. But that's the same as multiplying 6 by 1 over 2, the reciprocal of 2. So you just turn this fraction upside down and multiply. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to turn this division, we're going to multiply, and we're going to move this up here and this down there. And that's exactly what was done here. Now we're going to go ahead and treat it as a multiplication problem. So we notice that there's an x that can be factored out of here. So we factor it out, and you get this remaining in there. Then we also realize that 4, 20, and negative 24 have a common factor of 4. So we factor that out, and this remains. And then factor out a 2 out of here. So it's all about factoring as much as possible. You get an x plus 6 left there. And here an x squared can be factored out. So factor out an x squared, and you're left with 2x minus 3 in there. Then come down here. You factor this as a difference of 2 squares. 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. Factor this trinomial as x plus 6, x minus 6. And now you're ready to cancel and proceed. So it's x plus 6 cancels out with this x plus 6. I think this 2x minus 3 cancels out with this 2x minus 3. X cancels out with one of these x's. Got to be careful about this kind of thing. Never cancel 2 times in a row on the same step. If you needed to then reduce these down again, you'd have to write another step because it's too dangerous to have a bunch of canceling. Get in this 2, cancel into this 4. 2 goes into 4 twice. Now write down what you have. Cancel one level and then write down what you have. So we have 2x plus 3 surviving up there. Nothing survived down here. Times 2 times x minus 1. This canceled out. I see an x over there. So this is what we have. And this is going to be 2 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 1 divided by x. Multiply that together. Be careful about everything, one step at a time. 2x squared plus 3x minus 2x is plus x minus 3 over x. They might multiply as 2 in there, they might not. Okay, now we need restrictions because the original fractions are restricted at next can't be negative 6. See, there can be negative 6 in the new version, but you can't have negative 6 in the old version. So for these equals to stay equal all the way, x can't be negative 6, and it can't be 3/2 either. It can't be 0. Of course, it can't be 0 down here, but there's no harm in putting the 0. So you get all these denominators here, and that is about it looks like. Yeah.